Pranita, Vivan, all of you stand up night. Join your hands, close your eyes. Kidsy anthem. You're within me, you're infinite, you're unique, my potential inside. You're the wings beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, open your eyes, children. Open your eyes. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Yes, Dikshan. Good morning with both of your hands. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Very good, children. Good morning. Now mute yourself. Ready for the breathing exercise?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, friends.
Double good morning to everyone. Okay. Now mute yourself. Be ready for the breathing exercise. Okay, children. Ready? Start. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Today, children, we are going to do another yoga. Okay. Are you ready? I'll show you the picture. Like that, you have to do the yoga. Okay. Wait a minute. Ma'am will present you the picture. Okay. Okay. Now, can you see? See? Crescent moon pose. See, like this, you have to stretch your hands up, join your hands and bend your body like a crescent moon. Come on, let me see. Very good, Jahnavi. Come on, Devkrish, Rohita. Do like that. See how the boy is doing. First, raise your hands, join your hands, and then you have to bend it on one side. Okay, and then come back to position. Okay, now you have to bend the other side. First to your right and then to your left. Okay? Yes, very good, Jahnavi, Kavyani. Hashni, come on, do Hashni. Yes, very good, Devkrish. Come back to position. Now left. Do it on your left. Yes, now come back to position. Rohita, do it. Nukshita, do it. Very good, very good. Dikshan, do it. Yeah, very good. Finish. Now your next pose is this one. Have to lie down on the floor and then you have to lift your body up high like this. Yes, come on, try doing this. Lie down on the floor and then have to lift your body. Yes, like the picture given in the slide. Very good, Naitik. Very good, Naitik. Well done, Naitik. Enough, Naitik. Stop, stop. One time if you do, it's enough today. Okay? Yes, very good, Devkrish. Dikshan, very good. Hashni, good. Danvin, good. Nukshita, very good, Nukshita. Kartikeyan, very good, very good. Very good, children. Kavyani, good. Jahnavi, did you do it? Did you do it, Jahnavi? Okay, okay, no problem. Yes, very good. I saw yours. Now mute yourself. Yes, very good. Satvika, very good. Kartikeyan, very good. Sanita, very good. Okay, good. Now come back. Come back, come back. Okay, very good. Now come back. Very good. Clap hands for yourself, children. Very nice. Yes, Pranita, mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Yes, mute. Come on, mute. Yeah. Everyone mute yourself. Okay. Pranita, mute yourself. Janavi, mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Sadie. Mute yourself, Sadie. I'll come back, Sadie, okay? Okay, now everyone mute yourself. Very good, children. Very good. From Monday, we'll do this, okay? Okay, children? Okay, now ready for the animal sound? Shall we do the animal sound activity? You all like it, right? Yes, you all like it very much, right? Now, what does a dog say? Dog says, boo, boo. Dog says, Kavyani, do it. Dog says, boo, boo. Very good. And then cat says, cat says, meow, 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 like that, okay? And then what does a crow say? Crow, how it will do? Okay. All of you get up and fly like that. Fly in a circle like that. Fly in a circle, run in a circle. How birds will fly? Very good, Dev Krish. How birds will fly in a circle like this? You have to fly. Yes, like this. Okay? Fly like that. Okay? Okay. Our next sound is, how does a snake sound? Snake. Yes, snake. Do the action of a snake. All of you. Do the action of a snake. Very good. And then what shall we do? And then lion. How does a lion roar? Wow. Lion. Does a lion roar? Wow. Yes? Yes, very good, children. And then how does a kangaroo jump, children? How will a kangaroo jump? It will keep its hand like this, and then it will jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like this. Keep your hands front like this. Yes, kangaroo will have its hand in its front, right? And then jump like this. Jump like this. Jump like this. Okay. Next action. Elephant action. Yes, elephant. How elephants will do? Elephants. Yes, children. How elephants will do? Come on. Show me how elephants will do. Put your hands front like this. Go up and come down. Put your hands front like this. Straight. Big trunk, right? Elephant has a big trunk. No, Kartikeyan. Should put your hand like this. Front like this. Tilaka. Hands front like this. Go up and come down. Yes, very good. Very good, children. Okay, well done. Now all of you go inside, drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, come on, drink water and come back. Yes, all of you are ready? Ready for the attendance? First is Dhanvin Sai. Yes, Dhanvin.
My name is Anil Sai. I am in Unit 3.
Very good, Dhanvin. Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
My name is Tekish. I am in Junior KG.
Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan.
I'm in Junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Parnas.
First Karthikeyan.
Parnas is there? Parnas is there. Okay. Hashni.
Good morning, Manila. My name is Asmi. I'm studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Ashni. Janavi. Yes, Janavi. Janavi. Kavyani, mute yourself. Kavyani, mute yourself.
Janavi,
Okay, very good. Karthikeyan. Yeah. Very good. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek. Pranita. Pranita.
I am studying junior KG.
Oh, you should say your name first. What is your name?
I am Pranita.
Studying in junior KG.
I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Nukshita. Nukshita. Okay, mute yourself, Pranita. Nukshita.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Nukshita. Rohita. Rohita.
Hi,
Rohita.
my name is
My name is Tom Forrest. I'm junior
Very
KG.
good. Oh, very good, very good. Satvika. Satvika.
My name is Sathika Singh.
I am studying in junior KG.
Really? Studying in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Siddharth. Siddharth, are you there? No. Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. 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 Where is Tilakar? Yeah, tell me, Tilakar. Your name is Tilakar. I am studying in junior KG.
I am studying
Junior KG. Very good, Tilakar. Vishank. Very nice. Vishank. Okay, Vivan. Vivan. My name is Vivan.
I am studying KG.
Oh, I should say my name is Vivan and you will say I am in junior KG. Cheating,
My
ma'am.
name is Vinay.
Okay, next, Zadi. Zadi.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am. My name is.
Zadi.
my name is Jedi. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Zadi. Ritvik. Ritvik.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik, but I can't see your face. Little bit, you have to tilt your camera down, okay? Little bit, bring your camera down. Now I can see you. Very
I
good.
am
Ritvik.
Jeffy. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Wonderful, Ritvik. Now, Vishank, you came. Vishank. Vishank. Yeah, I saw you, Vishank. My name is Vishank. Very good, Vishank. Good boy. Very nice, Vishank. Very nice. Okay, children, bring your calendar. Yes, bring your calendar. I want you to bring your calendar. And who is going to say today's date? Karthikeyan. Today, Karthikeyan is going to tell me the date. Okay, Karthikeyan? What is the date today?
17 days.
Yes, how should you say? 1/7/17.
17.
Yeah, like that you have to say, okay? Now, children, you have to color the date 1717 and the day is straight up. If you go, you can see here the day is Friday. Okay, 1717 and the day is Friday. Come on, color. Yes, ma'am also colored. If you have colored, just lift your calendar and show it to me. Enough. Don't unmute yourself. Just lift it up and show me. Yes, very good. Vivan finish. Satvika finish. Ashni finish. Then Pranita finished. Rohita finished. Yes, I think all of you are finishing. Very good, very good. Okay. Very good, Tarnika, very good. Yes, Vishank. Very good, Vishank. Shank, Nitek. Good. Zeddy, good, good. Very good. Vivan, did you finish? Yes. Karthikeyan, good. Kavyarni colored. Finish. Rohita also finished. Very good. Okay, now children, keep your calendar aside. We are going to go to our rhyme session. Yes? Ready? Yes, look at ma'am. All of you look at ma'am. All of you look at ma'am. Unless you look at ma'am, I'm not going to sing the rhyme. Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, now circle rhyme. Are you ready to sing the circle rhyme? Can you draw a big circle, around circle? Can you draw a big circle that goes as round as moon? Can you draw a small circle, around circle? Can you draw a semicircle that goes as round as ring? Okay. Now our next rhyme. Very nice. Janvi, mute yourself, Janvi. Yes, sing from your places, children. No need to keep mum. You can sing in your places. Okay, but don't unmute. Okay, sing in your places. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Very good. Okay, now, what rhyme is this, children? What rhyme is this? Ah, ah, answer my answer my answer my they are causing me alarm. Ah, for the letter A, okay? And then bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play, B, okay? What letter? B, okay? And next, we are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, ka. For the letter C, okay? Next is, see me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da. See me play up on my drum for the letter D, okay? Eggs in the pan, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh. Crack the egg like this. Very good, children. And then for the letter E, okay? Now we are going to sing another rhyme. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Okay, for the letter F, okay? Okay, our alphabet rhyme is over. Next, we are going to see the action for the alphabet. Okay. Now, see. Come on, tell me. I'm going to ask one by one. Janvi. Ready, Janvi? What is this? Apple. Very good. Next, Vivan. Vivan. Bat. Ball. Okay. And then Kaka. What? What is this? What is that? Cat. Very good. Then Hashni. Drum. Very good, Hashni. And then Nighting. Elephant. Very good. And then Satvika. What is this? What is this, Satvika? Do the action and tell me what is this?
What is that?
What is this, Satvika? It will go like this in the water. What is that?
What is that?
Fish. Okay, fish. And then what is this? Who will say? Tarnika. What is this? Gorilla. Okay. Sadi. What is this? You have to do the action. What is this, Sadi? House. Very good. And then Dev Krish. What is this? Yummy. Tasty. What is that? What is that?
Ice cream.
Very good, Dev Krish. Very good. And then, who will say? Rohita, what is this?
J.
Yes, Rohita. Okay, finish, Rohita. I will not continue. Okay, Vishank. What is this?
Jar. Ma'am, just
Very good. Next, Kaka.
What is it?
Yes, Vishank. What is it? How it becomes? Kite. Very good, Vishank. And then L. Okay, we are going to say for the L sound. Tilakar. Now come on, tell me. Wow, what is this? Wow. L. What is it, Tilakar? Tilakar, are you there? Lion. Very good. Very good. And then, what is this? We'll say, Nukshita. Who's this, ma? What is this, ma? Nukshita? Ma? Yeah, tell me. Tell me loud. Monkey. And then, Kavyani. No. Na. What is this? What is this? Nose. What is this? Nose, right? Nose. And then, oh, next we are going to go to O. Okay. Who will say this? Pranita. What is this, Pranita? What is it? Tell me. Pranita, are you there? Pranita is not there. Okay, Naitik, tell me, Naitik. Naitik, what is this?
Octopus.
Very good. And then Ritvik. Ritvik is there. Ritvik. Okay. We'll ask Hashni. Hashni, what is this? Parrot. Quack. Queen. And then Arbor. What is this? Nukshita, tell me. Rabbit. Very good. Karthikeyan. S for snake. Very good. Janavi. Tata. Red in color vegetable. What is that? Tomato. Very good. Tomato. And then Devkrish. U for
You for umbrella.
umbrella. Very good. Rohita. V for Rohita. Rohita, are you there? V for van. Okay. And then W for
W for what?
Nishan. W
Watch.
for watch. And then X for Vishan.
X-ray. Sorry, X-ray சொல்லுங்க.
X for
X-ray. அங்க பாரு.
xylophone. Okay. And then Kavyani. Y for yard. Okay. And then Z for Satvika. Z for Satvika. There. Z for zebra. Okay, very good children. Okay, now children, today we are going to write the number 20. Before that, ma'am is going to show you the numbers. Okay.
Number 20 ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು 2020
Okay, children, can you see the numbers? Yes, this is 1. First, see the numbers, then you can write, children. Okay, this is 1. What number is this?
One apple. Two.
Two. Apples we have 2.
One apple.
2 apples are
What number is this? 3.
3 apples.
Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. What number is this?
Oh,
4.
4.
Okay.
1, 2.
4 after 5. Okay. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after. Children, you have to see the numbers, then only you should write. Okay. Don't write now. All of you look at the pictures. 8. Okay. 8 after.
ಅದೇನೋ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ
9. Okay. 9 after 1 0 10. Okay. 1 1 11.
ನೋಡ್ಕಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡು ಯಾಕೆ ನಂಬರ್
2 12.
சொல்லு
3 13.
330
4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. And finally 2 0 20. Today we are going to write the number 2 0 20. Okay, take your worksheets and start writing. Take your worksheets and write. Start writing, children. 2 0 20. First write 2 and then write 0. 2 0 20. Right, Zaidi, start writing. Pranita, write. Nakshita, write. Spell and write, children. 2020. Worksheet number is D19. Vishank. Come on, Vishank. Vishank, if you are not writing, Daddy is not going to give you chocolates today. Come on, Vishank. Start writing. 2020. Vishank, where are you? Vishank.
Ma'am, you chocolate கொடுங்க.
Huh? First you come in front of the camera and talk to ma'am. Come on.
Come here.
Come in front of the camera and talk to me.
Come here, Vishank.
Okay, today I will definitely send chocolates to your home. Okay? 5 chocolates I'll send. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Come,
1,
ma'am, with your
3,
chocolates.
4,
Come.
5 chocolates. Okay, Vishank? Don't be angry. Sorry, Vishank. Shop is closed, right? That's why ma'am is not able to buy. Come on. Okay? See, near my house, all the shops are closed, Vishank. That's why I'm not able to buy. Okay? Sorry.
Okay.
Come on. Come and sit and write. Come
Come,
sit and
come.
write. Come on. Good boy, no? Come on.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Yes, very good, Rohita. Wait, Rohita, I'll come back. Yes, Vishank. Ritvik, right, Ritvik, what are you doing? 2020, children, spell and write. 2020. Vishank, today definitely I'll give you chocolate, Vishank. Vishank, see. Vishank, look here, Vishank. Today I'm going to tell you a story also, okay? Now write, finish it fast, then only I'll tell you a story. Okay, come on, write fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, write. Good boy, Vishank. Start writing. Everyone finish. Tilakar, finish. Write, Tilakar. Come on. Everyone write, finish. Zadie, what happened? Write, Zadie. Quick. Fast writing, children. Come on, write fast. Ritvik, show me what you are writing, Ritvik. Ritvik, can you show me what you are writing? Yes, good. Okay, now trace, come on. Right, Ritvik. Very good boy, Ritvik. Children, trace on the dots. Try writing on your own. Zadie, what happened, Zadie? What happened, Zadie? Right. Good girl. Right. I saw your book. Right. Yes, those who finish. Yes. Finish. Pranita finished. Rohita finished. Then who else? Satvika also finished. Satvika is writing. Okay. Tarnika finished. Very good, Tarnika. Good, Tarnika. Very nice, Tarnika. Okay, very good. Those who finished.
Ma'am, Pranita, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw yours, Pranita. I told you I finished nice. Very good. Very good. Satvika, good. Yes. Kartikeyan, good. Very good. Satvika, very good, Satvika. Good girl. You have become a very good girl, Satvika. High five, Satvika. Okay? High five. High five. High five. High five. Very good girl. Okay? Have to write like this. Okay, ma? Next, who else? Ashni.
See you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Very good, Ashni. Nice, Ashni. Good girl. Vishank finished? Why Vishank is always angry? Vishank, I'm watching. If you're not writing, I'm not going to send you any chocolates. If you're writing only, I'll send you. If you're not writing, I'm not going to send any chocolate. One chocolate also I will not send.
Mom, I'm finished.
Who finished? Who's that? Yes, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Very nice, Dev Krish. Danvin. Finished? Very good, Danvin. Good boy. Very good, very good. Okay, children, shall we move on to our next worksheet? Yes? Okay, I'll show you what is our next worksheet. Those who finish, be ready with that worksheet, okay? Okay, this is going to be our worksheet. Number D19, the same number, D19CT. Yes, those who finish can take this worksheet. Yes. Finished all of you? Shall we start? D19CT. Yes, I'm going to tell you what to do. First is cobbler. Okay. So what material is the cobbler using? Can you see what the material cobbler is using? Shoe stand. Where is the shoe stand? Here. Circle the shoe stand. Look at the picture and do, children. Before that, you should not do. Okay? Look at the picture and then you do. Shoe stand. Next, the barber. He is using a scissor and a comb. Where is the scissor and comb? Here. Circle the scissor and the comb. Okay? Next. Shopkeeper. What is he using? He is using an ambulance, hammer or a weighing machine. Weighing machine. Circle the weighing machine. Okay. And last, sweeper. What is the sweeper using, Nitek? Sweeper, what he is using? He's using an ambulance or what? He's using a broom, right? Okay, now circle
Right.
broom. Okay? Finished, everyone? Finish it fast, children. We have story today. Yes, today is Friday, right? So we have story. Come on, finish it fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, all of you lift your sheets and show it to ma'am. All of you at a time. At a time. I'm seeing everyone at a time. Okay, time is up. So we'll finish it off fast. Okay. Very good, everyone, very good. But I can't see Kavyani. Where is your sheet? Janavi's sheet. Nukshita doesn't have worksheet. Vishank, I didn't see your sheet. Pranita. Dikshan. Vivan. Everyone finished? Yes, everyone finished? Zadi. Okay, then all of you should give a thumbs up to me. Then only I'll go to the story. Brownie story. Today we are going to see brownie story. Come on, finish it fast, children. Come on, finish it fast. And then we have a garbage truck activity also. Come on, fast. Okay, all of you look here. Yes, finished. Brownie bear sleeps at night. Okay, what is the name of the story? Brownie bear sleeps late at night. Okay, what do you mean by sleeps late at night? Okay, children, at what time do you go to bed? We'll go to bed by 9 o'clock or 9:30 like that, right? But this brownie bear, no, he's going to bed very late by 12 o'clock and all. Is that good, children? Nod your head. Is that good or bad? No, it is bad, right? You have to go early to bed. So all because of this, today we are going to see how he is suffering. Okay, Pranita, mute yourself. Listen to the story. Okay. See, this is Brownie. Who is this? Brownie. Okay, all the day he was playing with his friends, and then he was having lot of fun. At night he was watching TV, and he went to bed very late at night. Okay, children, he went to bed very late by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, like that. Okay, so because of that, what happened? Morning, he woke up very late. Why? Because he slept very late at night, right? So that only he was not able to wake up early morning. Okay, he became very late to school, and his mama is waking him up. Come on, Brownie, get up, time up, Brownie. You have to go to school. It's already time up. Wake up, Brownie. But what Brownie is saying? Mama, 5 minutes, Mama. I'm not even able to open my eyes. Mama, 5 minutes more. I'll sleep and then I'll get up. Then what Mama said? Brownie, you're already late to school. If you be late, then you will miss your school bus. Okay, Brownie is going by school bus, and Mama is saying you're going to miss the bus. And what Brownie is saying? Okay, Mama, I'll get ready. But by the time he got ready, can you see the school bus? It already arrived. What happened? He became very late for the school bus. He was not able to catch the school bus. Then what happened? See here, Mama took Brownie to the school by her car. Then also what happened? The school gate was closed. Can you see, children? The school gate was closed. Okay. See, for a limited time only, they will open the gate. After that, what they will do? If you are late, they will close the gate and you can't go inside the school. Then what happened? Brownie came back to home crying. No, Mama. I left my school today. I was not able to go to school. What will I do? Today there is lot of activity in my school. There is a magic show in my school. There is a puppet show in my school. What shall I do, Mama? I became very late. He started crying. Can you see him crying? See here, he's crying, Mama, what to do, Mama, like that. And what happened? He was very sad. Looking outside, he was very sad. Why? Because he's missing his class very much. He's missing his friends, okay? And then in the school, you can see the children are sitting here and there is a puppet show. See here in the school, there is puppet show. And then see here, after the school, the children, they came back to Brownie and said, Brownie, you didn't come to school today. We had lot of fun today. There was puppet show and then there was music class also. We enjoyed it a lot today. Then Brownie, what did he say? Oh my God. Sorry, children. Okay. See the puppet show, the friends, they are enjoying the show, and then he went crying to his mama. Mama, I missed my school all because I got very late in the morning. Hereafter, I'll go early to bed and I'll wake up early in the morning. Okay? And then mama said, okay, Brownie, don't cry. Hereafter, you have to go early to bed and get up early. Then we'll go to school very fast and at time. Okay? And then what he said, Brownie? You are right, Mama. Like that he said. And then what he did? From that day onwards, he went early to bed by 9 o'clock and then morning by 6 o'clock itself he got up. So what is the moral of the story, children? Early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy and wise. Okay, what is the moral? Early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy and wise. Did you all love the story, children? Yes? Did you all like the story? Yes or no? Did you all like the story? Yes? Yes, Dev Krish. Did you like the story, Dev Krish? Yes, Dhanvin, did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you have to do here afterwards? Hereafter, you should not watch TV for a long time. Don't go very late to bed, okay? You have to go early to bed. Okay, now all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. Now jump for 10 times. Jump, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Clap your hands. And now bring your garbage truck materials. Yes. Rectangle, square, circles. Are you ready? Yes, are you ready, children? Yes, take it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. You have to stick it in a chart or a paper like this. Okay? Shall we start doing the activity? Are you all ready? Yes, come on. If you don't have, no problem. How many of you don't have? Everyone is having? Yes, I'm going to ask you one by one. Let me know who are all having and who is not having. Pranita, do you have the materials, Pranita? Sorry, I forgot in the morning to ask you, children. Okay, very good, Pranita. Nukshita, are you having, Nukshita? Are you having? Show it to ma'am. Okay, if you're having, it's okay. And then, Janavi, are you having? Yes, those who have, please raise and show it to ma'am. Yes, those who are having, show it to ma'am like this. Yes, Ritvik is ready. Tilakar, you don't have? Yes. Okay, everyone is having? Okay, very good, children. Now, take a paper or a chart like this. Take a paper or a chart and then we are going to stick it in this. Okay, keep it ready. On the top of it, parents, can you please write garbage truck?
Vanilla ma'am, unmute your mic. Vanilla ma'am, unmute your audio. You are not audible.
Now,
Yeah, now carry on.
see, first you have to stick the big rectangle bit. Okay, big rectangle piece you have, first stick it. Parents, you can apply the glue and give it to the children. Let them stick it. Yes, like this. Stick it and then take your square. Small size we have, right? Not square, it's also a rectangle. Small size bit we have, rectangle. That we are going to stick it here. Like this we are going to stick, okay? Like this. Okay, children? See here like this. Kartikeyan, come on, you have to stick, Kartikeyan. Try to stick by yourself, children. Hereafter, we'll do many activities like this, okay? Just mama or papa, they'll apply only the glue. You have to try and stick it on your own like this. Karthikeyan, come on. Pranita, come on. Yes, next we are going to stick the small strip like this. We have, right? A small strip here. Here we are going to stick. Like this. Yes? Small strip here. Finish. And finally, we are going to stick the wheels. 4 wheels we have, right? The 4 wheels, we are going to stick it below here. Here we are going to stick, okay? Yes, I'm finished. Can you see the garbage truck? Here. Is it nice? Yes, it has 4 wheels. Okay. The garbage truck has 4 wheels, right? Come on, all of you, lift your craft and show it to ma'am. I'm very eagerly waiting for you. Yes, come on. Ma'am finished. Yes, those who finished, please lift your craft and show it to ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
finish
very good. Dev Krish.
Ma'am, choose.
Yes, one by one I'll see. Wait. Dev Krish, good. Very good, Dev Krish. Wow. Yes, nice. Then, wait, Rohita, I am coming. Wait. Rohita. Very nice, Rohita. Wonderful, Rohita. Okay, I'll call you one by one, children. Mute yourself. I'll call you one by one. Danven, according to attendance order, we'll go. Okay? Danven, show me. Danven, show me yours. Danven, did you stick Danven?
Yes, ma'am. He said to color it, ma'am.
Okay, color. Okay, next, Dev Krish finished. Dikshan, show me yours. Dikshan. Dikshan. Where is Dikshan? Dikshan is not here. Okay. Next is Hashni. Hashni, show me. Yes, very nice, Hashni. Color it, Hashni, okay? Have to color, okay, Hashni? Wheels and all, you black color. And the truck, another color you can give, okay? Okay. Janvi. Janvi, show me your truck. Janvi. Yes, Janvi. Okay, very nice, Janvi. And then Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Now only we are doing, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Next is Nitek. Nitek.
I'm big mom.
Wait, Nitek, I can't see. Wait. Okay, now. Very nice, Nitek. Little bit higher. Lift your sheet higher. Now it's nice. Very nice, Nitek. Next is Nukshita.
Mom.
Very good. Nukshita.
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, you're doing okay. Pranita, finish. Pranita. Pranita.
Finish.
Show me if you are finished. Okay, good. Good, Pranita. Next is Satvika. Satvika. Satvika, did you finish? Show me. Nice. Show me. Properly you show me. This side. I think you are showing me the back side. Ah. Oh, that only. I can't see it properly. Okay. I think you have to color. Yes?
Color.
Yeah, color, Satvika. Now next is Tarnika. Tarnika, show me. Unmute and show me, Tarnika.
See?
Okay, Tarnika. Nice. Very nice, Tarnika. Good. Very nice. And then Tilakar. Tilakar, show me. Tilakar. Where is Tilakar? Tilakar, show me what you have done. Where is your truck? Okay, you're coloring. Okay, color neatly, Tilakar. It should not look like that, okay? You're in junior KG now. Junior KG children will not color like this, right? Color neatly, you color. Then Vivan. Vivan. Vivan, show me your truck. Very nice, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Vishank. Vishank, where is your truck, Vishank? Vishank, where is your truck?
Ma'am, we'll make him do and send it to you, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Zadi, where is your truck, Zadi?
This my photo.
You're coloring.
Yes.
Okay, Zadi, color and send it in WhatsApp. Ritvik, where is yours?
My God. Finish,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Ritvik, very nice, Ritvik. Well done, superb. Okay, children, thank you so much. Very good, Zaidi. It's nice, Zaidi. Karthikeyan. Yeah, show me Karthikeyan. Okay, well done. Nice. Okay, children, very good. All of you did very well. Happy weekend. Be safe. Okay, enjoy your holidays. Ma'am is going to sign off. Bye, children.
Bye. Bye.